Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Elizabeth, and in this video today I'm going to show you a great new tool that you can use to find affiliate programs to promote. For those of you who are not familiar with affiliate marketing, it is basically just promoting other people's products and receiving a commission for doing so. That's basically it in a nutshell. I have other videos where I go into it in a little bit more detail, but when you're an affiliate marketer, you need to have programs to promote, and this new tool that I'm going to show you today is a really great way to search for those programs as well as to sign up with them so that you can start promoting and start earning money. So this new tool is located on a website that I use all the time. This is my basically my affiliate marketing back office. And this is a program that I have been involved with for many, many years, and it's my #1 recommendation for anybody that's either already an affiliate marketer or anybody that's interested in learning how to become an affiliate marketer and make money online. And the website is called Wealthy Affiliate, and they've just added this new tool, which is awesome in my opinion. And it's right here. It's under affiliate programs. And it's the affiliate program search area. So what you do here is you're basically going to take your niche, whatever it is, and you're going to be able to search for an affiliate program to promote all in this one area. Okay? But it's a little bit more than that. So I'm going to kind of walk you through and show you the details of this particular tool. So basically it's just a search engine for affiliate programs. You can narrow it down based on whatever you are promoting. You know, if you're promoting things to do with cooking, food, and wine, you can just click here and it'll search in there, or you can just click, leave it at all, and you're just going to type in your search right here. For instance, let's look up camping gear. Okay. So if you were promoting camping gear, maybe you have a website that you built that is primarily about camping, and you want to choose an affiliate program that offers camping gear. So immediately what you'll see is it comes up with all of these results. We've got Simply Hike, The Sportsman's Guide, US Outdoor, Sierra, all of these. It keeps going. But I'm going to show you kind of what you can learn from what the information that we're presented with here. So here, this one right here, Simply Hike. It's going to show you the commission, so it's 5%. What network is offering it? This is at AWIN. As you can see over here at the Sportsman's Guide, is the network is Commission Junction, or CJ. It's also going to tell you the payout options. This one is direct deposit. Over here we've got direct deposit, check, or Payoneer. And so what you can do, let's say we're interested in, learning more about Simply Hike. You can click View Program Details, and it's going to give you a little bit more information about this particular brand or this company and what they offer. And you can kind of find out for yourself, is this something that you'd be able to promote on your website? Another thing you can do once you come into this area is view the website itself. So for instance, I'm not familiar with Simply Hike. So I want to go to their website and see, like, what is it about? Is it something I can do? You can click here and it opens up the website. And so this is just their website. As you can see, it has, they offer clothing, footwear, camping equipment. This was definitely something that I would be promoting. I have a camping website, so this is something that I would be interested in. It looks like they have a pretty good website, and it's things that I would be promoting. Okay, so that way you can kind of check out the website for yourself right there. You can join the program. If you click that button, what it's going to do is going to take you to the network that's offering this program, which is, like I said, it was AWIN. And here, this is where you can join the program and start promoting their product. Okay. All right, another thing that you're going to be able to do here is you're going to see a little bit more detail. This one actually looks like it's out of United Kingdom, so it's being paid out in pounds. So I probably wouldn't do this, even though it's available globally. I'm going to try to stick to things that are in the United States. But this is why it's a good thing that you can see. You can see that it's being paid in the, British pounds, and that it's direct deposit, 5% commission, and things like that. So if we go back to the search area, let's go over here to Sportsman's Guide, and we're going to click on their details. See, they have a lot more detail with theirs. They also tell you that they have weekly promos, coupon codes. They have a dedicated affiliate team, so they're really going to work with you to help you earn as much money as you can. And once again, you can join the program here or visit their website. And once again, you're also going to see more information. So we've got minimum payout is $50. They're paying in USD. The commission structure is about $10 to $35. Okay, so you have with this tool, you're going to get a lot of information all here in one area. It's always very overwhelming to me whenever you try to find affiliate programs to promote, and you just have to weed through all this information, and it's all right here that you can compare between other ones and find the best ones for your particular affiliate business. Here's another thing that I love about right here. If you see, it says My Affiliate Links. So if we click on that, here's where you're going to be able to add your affiliate links. Once you join the program and you have your affiliate links that they're giving you for different products, you can add it right here. So for instance, let's say there's a particular tint. You can label it right here and then paste in your affiliate link, hit save and close, and you'll have all of your links all in one spot. So whenever you're about to promote this Kelty tint, for instance, you can just come here, copy and paste, copy your link and paste it to wherever you're promoting it, whether it's in one of your blog posts, on a YouTube description area, or wherever. So I love this feature. I wasn't even expecting this, but this is an awesome feature because it's all in one spot. In the past, I've had to put all my affiliate links in like a spreadsheet, which is also a good thing to do just for a backup. But this is so easy. As you're going throughout your day, you can just go grab your link real quick, paste it where you need to paste it, and you're good to go. And it's just so much simpler this way. And so I love this feature that this particular tool has. Okay, let me show you one other thing before we end this video. Over here is where you can filter. You can make more filters. So what the filter options you have are country availability. So you have all your countries here listed, as you can see. So you can click on, if you're in one of these countries and you want to see if it's available in your country, you can just click on that one and filter it to where you're only seeing ones that are available in, your country. Over here, you've got payout options. So maybe you only want to get paid through PayPal, or maybe you only want to see what's available through the direct deposits. You can click on that and have it filter that way. We've got auto approval, the ratings, the network fee, whether or not there's a network fee involved, and then also the commission structure. You can set your filters any way you want so that you can get the best program. This is one of the good things about this search engine, is it's going to allow you to tailor it to exactly what you need for your niche and for your affiliate marketing business. Okay, so that is the affiliate program search at Wealthy Affiliate in a nutshell. And this is just a brief overview of it. If you're interested in using this tool, you can sign up with Wealthy Affiliate. I'll leave a link to that in the description. Not only are you going to get this tool, but you're also going to get a ton of everything else that Wealthy Affiliate offers, which is going to be the training programs, the website builders, the website hosting. If you have websites that you need to host, Wealthy Affiliate has that built in. There's also live classes, live events, and live videos every Friday, teaching you and just offering you more training. There's also the Jaxi keyword research tool, and now the affiliate program search tool. You have live chat. I mean, if you are not familiar with Wealthy Affiliate and you are an affiliate marketer, this is definitely a program that you need to get involved with. They also have a referral program where you can make just money from promoting Wealthy Affiliate. And, you know, this, like I said, this is my entire back office. This is the foundation of my affiliate business. And I love that they're adding these new tools. They're constantly adding new things that really just help my business out and are an extreme benefit for me. So if you're interested, I'll leave a link in the description to this and you can sign up. Okay, so like I said, this is my #1 program for affiliate marketers, and now they've added this new tool. And so I hope this video is helpful to you. If it is, go ahead and hit the like button, and feel free to subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel. And with that, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you.